Here they've given me this job of finding the area of a triangle, but I kind of wanted to do this first. I want to draw a line that's sort of parallel to DC, and I'm not the greatest artist, but if I did it, it would look something like that. And then I want to connect it up to that point D there. And when you look at this, you see that, oh, I got a parallelogram. And half of my parallelogram is that triangle. So that's how we come up with the formula for the area of a triangle, which is 1/2 the base times the height, or the base times the height divided by 2. So I'm going to pause this now and we're going to go to second screen, and we're actually going to solve this problem using the formula that we just created. So here we go. The base is this ZC, and that tells us it's 33. And the height is N, and the number they give us for that is 42.5. And we'll just put in 0.5 because that'll make our work on the calculator easier. Now, depending on the kind of calculator you have, you might have to put parentheses in here if it's not a scientific calculator. If it's a scientific calculator, it'll do this equation no problem. So let's pop in our 33 times 42, and then we're going to divide that by 2. And our answer is, whoops, sorry. I need to back up here. 33 times 42.5. There we go. Don't want to make that mistake. Divided by 2. And we get 701 and a quarter as our answer. Now the last thing we need to do is put our label in, which is going to be millimeters squared. All right. I'm glad I made that mistake there. You always have to be careful about putting your numbers in correctly. So watch this video as many times as it takes to get that process of figuring out the area of a triangle.